draw 40 by 60 rectangular plate in step 1, its initial position. This is 40 by 60 rectangular plate. Its initial position, it's ABCD. The rectangular plate is ABCD. This is our step 1. This is our step 1. This is our reference XY line. Now we need to take the projections of this rectangular plate on XY line like this. We will trace this kind of thing. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is a very initial position. No any sort of angle is been applied. It's at rest position. No angle with HP, no angle with VP. It's step 1, initial position. Now we will proceed to step 2. What would be the step 2? Implementation of HP angle. What is the angle of HP? It's 45 degrees. Step 2. Angle with HP is given as 45 degrees. I have marked a point on random distance on XY line. Drawn a reference line at 45 degrees. Very light reference line. A very light reference line at 45 degrees. Now I will use the compass. I will use the compass to trace this A dash D dash line inclined at 45 degrees like this, and we will trace a 45 degrees line like this. A line has been inclined. Just I have taken the references. It's A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Arc has been given. A dash to D dash as radius. Over here a reference line, point as center, just given an arc at 45 degrees. In step 2 we have incorporated this HP angle. Now in the step 1 we have, from vertical plane we have taken the projection to the horizontal plane. Now from this horizontal plane we will take projections to the vertical plane components. Like this. Take horizontal projections as well. Join the matching points. Join the matching points. A will go with the A dash, B will go with the B dash, C will go with the C dash, and D will go with the D dash. So this is how a plate look, that what it looks like after implementing the HP angle is revealed now. If we implement 45 degrees angle to this plane, then it will look like this. Now we are also having a angle with the VP also. The angle with VP is given as 60 degrees. So in the step 3 we will implement the angle with VP, and then we will incorporate this with the HP angle as well. Step 3. Very simple yet very effective. At any random point, I have put the point, drawn a reference line at 60 degrees, drawn a reference line at 60 degrees. Now we need to take the replica of this step 2 drawing to step 3 at 60 degrees angle. This angle is 60 degrees. What I am going to do, I will take AB as radius. At any point I will pick point A, and in reference to that I will pick out my point number B. This is point A and point B. Now from point A I will draw a perpendicular line. Same from the point B, draw a vertical line. Like this. Now we have got the distance of AD and BC. Like this. We have got all the 4 points A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. It has been inclined at 60 degrees. Now again from this vertical component we will go to the horizontal component. We will take the projections. We will take the projections like this. Very light projections need to be taken. Match it with this. Now join the coding points A to A, B to B, C to C and D to D, like this. This plane will look like this. This 60 by 40 plate will look like this when both the angles have been implemented. This is A triple dash, B triple dash, C triple dash and D triple dash. When angle with VP 60 degree and angle with HP 45 degrees implemented, this is how a 60 by 40 rectangular plate look like. Now when we look at the question, it says that shorter side on HP is resting on HP. Now when you look at this our answer, you can clearly see that shorter side is 40 mm, that is resting on the HP. HP means that on XY line. So this is how we can solve our example of the projections of a plane. Very simple. In the 3 step you can conclude it. Let's have a look at it once again very quickly. Draw XY line. In step 1 you will draw 40 by 60 rectangular plate like this. In step 1 it's the initial position ABCD. Take its projections to the XY line like this. You have got A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is step 1. In step 2 HP angle incorporated. HP angle is 45 degrees. At any random point we have taken the reference line at 45 degrees, drawn a very light line, taking A dash to D dash as radius. Over here, marking an arc, we have got A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash over here, inclined at 45 degrees. Take its projections to the downside and match it with the step 1 like this. Take horizontal and vertical both projections. A, B, C, D. You have got a square like this. Now when you come to step 3, we have incorporated VP angle as well. VP angle is 60 degrees. VP angle is 60 degrees. This angle is given as 60 degrees. What we are going to do? Take any point as A, AB as radius. We have got point number A and point number B. Now from point A and B, take perpendicular lines like this. You have got the distance of AD and BC. This is AD. Same would be BC. Join it. You have got C and D. Taking its vertical projections, match it with this HP angle, match appropriate points and join the lines A triple dash, B triple dash, C triple dash and D triple dash. This is how you can get your 3-step problem for projections of a plane. Very simple. This is how you can draw your projections of a plane. We will see our next problem. It is about a orthographic projection. Now let's have a look at this problem. First of all, we need to draw following view using the first angle projection method. We need to give dimension as unidirectional method. We need to draw two views. First is elevation and another is plan. The figure is shown as above. Now this is the figure. We need to draw elevation from this x direction and we need to draw plan. Plan means we are looking from this above side and we need to take these two projections using the first angle projection method. Now how we can draw this? Let's have a look in the page itself. First of all, we'll start with the elevation. When you look at the elevation, you need to constantly look at the what you can see in the elevation. First of all, you will see in your elevation portion that total length is given as 130 mm. This total length is given as 130 mm. So first of all, we are going to draw this 130 mm line, then a vertical line. This vertical line, this distance is given as 15 mm over here. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to draw a 130 mm line horizontal, a vertical line of 15 mm like this, and another line, this line of 30 mm. this 30 mm line we are going to draw. Now let's draw it in actual. One 30 mm line horizontal perpendicular to this from this side, 15 mm line. This is 15 mm line, and this is 30 mm line. Now we need to minus. Now again look at the figure once again. If you look at the figure once again, you will find out that this length from 130 we need to minus this 60, so it comes around 70 mm. So we need to draw 70 mm more of this line, so we'll draw 70 mm over here. Mm line over here like this. This line would be of 15 mm. This line would be of 15 mm. Here will come the center line for this circle. The total length is 60. Center of it would be a circle center. Like this. Now look at the figure once again. When you look at the figure once again, you will see that there is a half circle of diameter 60 and another circle of diameter 30 been given. Now we are going to draw this. Like this. Diameter 60, diameter 30.